Now that we know how to store primitive data, let's write a program that examines target heart rates. Here's the problem statement. To get the maximum benefit from exercise, your heart rate needs to be increased. There's a formula that's widely used. Subtract your age from 220, and your target heart rate should be between 65 and 85% of this value. People usually count their pulse for only 10 seconds. First, let's do the computation by hand. Now, this slide is written in math, not in Java. Let's say you're 19. Well, 220 minus 19 is 201. And 201 times 65 divided by 100 is 130.65. 201 times 85 divided by 100 is 170.85. So your target heart rate would be between 131 and 171 beats per minute. Your 10-second pulse would be between 130.65 times 10 divided by 60, which is 21.83, and 170.85 times 10 divided by 60, which is 28.5. Let's do some thinking about how we're going to put this into Java when we're able to. First, let's consider some types and identifiers. Well, age. Age is an integer. So we would declare this in Java as int age, followed by a semicolon. 220 is certainly an integer, there's no doubt about that, but we really don't know what it means in this problem. So we would call it final int weird constant equals 220. Now, you may know what it means better than I do, in which case you could come up with a better name than that. 65%, when we were calculating it by hand, we wrote as 65 divided by 100. But in a program, it's going to be more convenient to make it a double. That would be 0.065. So final, double, low percent equals 0.65. 85% is similar. Final, double, high percent equals 0.85, followed by a semicolon. 10 seconds, I would write as final double, 10 seconds equals 0.1666667. Now what I've done there is divided 10 by 60 and left it as a decimal, because it will be more convenient to work with it like that. And of course, whenever you're interacting with people, you definitely want to save their names. Names are made up of multiple characters usually, and so string first name. There's a start on what our program will be.